Новый съемник.
Hello everyone. Our new puller.
Основные саморезы.
The main self-taping screws thin.
Вкручивается в любой замок
It is screwed
практически
into
без
almost any lock
дополнительной
without
помощи.
additional help.
Средний.
Medium, it is a little problematic
вкрутить,
to screw it in, so for the middle one we first use a tap, and then we screw it in.
Он более крепкий.
This screw is stronger.
Два в одном, это
Puller 2 in 1. This is a screwdriver and a puller.
Тут отвертка.
Here is a screwdriver.
Саморез.
Put a self-taping screw. Fix and twist.
И закручиваем. Ставим вот в это положение.
We put it in this position.
И вот так мы будем закручивать.
And in this way we will screw it in. Here is our lock.
Да, обязательно стараемся
And be sure to try to screw it evenly so that the self-taping screw does not lead either to the left or to the right.
Теперь
Now we unscrew it
откручиваем чуть-чуть назад,
a little back, let it go, loosen it, fix this position, and we can pull out the lock. Just rotate it by the handles.
Вот таким образом.
That's it.
Съемник универсальный.
The puller is universal and can be used with apartment cylinders, padlocks, car locks.
Цилиндров. Цена на съемник
The price of the puller will be on the website. The price of self-taping screws, tabs, overlays, and so on is all separate and will also be on the website.